Today we take you to Solanas Beach. Solanas Beach is located in southern Sardinia, half an hour's drive from Villa Simius and an hour from Cagliari. In September we found two beach clubs open, one located about halfway, which offered a beach umbrella with two sunbeds for €22 per day, and, at the western end of the beach, the bathing establishment called La Scogliera, where the same service was offered for €15 per day. For the same service, on the same beach, we found it logical to choose La Scogliera. It is also possible to order cold or pre-cooked dishes.
Searching for the answers, but they're none at all.
The context in which this beach is located is not particularly spectacular in our opinion, but the possibility of parking the car in the immediate vicinity, the golden sand, and the crystal clear sea still make it an interesting destination.